Hi guys, welcome back to The Educated Barfly. My name is Leandro DiMonriva, and today we're going to be making a Cameron's Kick. Now the Cameron's Kick, from everything that could find about it, was first published and maybe even invented by Harry Craddock. It was published in the Savoy cocktail book, published in 1930. And if you guys know a lot about cocktails or have been watching my channels and have a very good memory, then you will see this cocktail for what it is, which is a Army Navy, all right, lemon and orgeat, okay, but with a different spirit base. And the spirit base for this one is going to be Scotch, blended Scotch, and pot still whiskey. Now, this cocktail seems to almost kind of deviate from what you would think a good cocktail is, because you don't think, it just doesn't, on paper, it doesn't really seem like Scotch and Irish whiskey is going to go together. A lot of Irish whiskeys are kind of thin, and you think the Scotch will overpower it. But if you use a pot still whiskey, which you're going to have a little bit richer flavor, you'll actually be some like a, hey, hold on, I'll see you in a second. I'm going over here. Don't mind me, but I forgot my ice. All right, hold on, wait a minute, didn't close the fridge. We don't want to hear that beeping noise when I start. Anyway, if you use a pot-stilled Irish whiskey, you will be happy you did, because you're going to get richer flavor and it's going to pair very well with the Scotch, and you're going to see that this cocktail works much better than you think it will. It is a damn good cocktail. If it wasn't a damn good cocktail, I wouldn't be doing it on this channel. Now, we are using commercially available Orgeat. We did an Orgeat episode. In my personal estimation, if you have the time and the means to make your own Orgeat, I always think that homemade is always better. But a lot of times I don't use homemade Orgeat. Sometimes I use commercially available Orgeat, and when I do, I really like using the Liquid Alchemist. So Liquid Alchemist was created by a guy named Randy Tarlow here in Los Angeles. He uses all natural ingredients. It's pretty well shelf stable. I mean, it will go bad after a while, as everything does, but this will last quite a while. So it's a good alternative, and it comes in little bottles if you don't want to get a really, really big bottle of it. So I can't recommend it highly enough. I already have put a link down in the show notes so you can take a look at their website. And then also, if you just happen to be running a bar in the United States or in California, you can get it from Southern Glacier. That's who distributes it. All right, let's get into the cocktail. First thing we are going to do is 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. And then 3/4 of an ounce of orgeat. And then 1 ounce pot still Irish whiskey. We're using Powers because that's one of my good. I like it. It is pretty well cost effective. It's not going to break the bank too much, and is very good quality. I really like the flavor. And then we're also using Famous Grouse, which you know I already like because I've used it in other cocktails. 1 ounce. And then we're going to give this bad boy a shake. Center our glass. And double strain so that you can get those little ice chips out that I don't really like very much. We just do a little lemon twist. Now, before I taste this, I want to say, a lot of you guys have been asking me about this glass. This glass is made by Schott and Zweisel, and we emailed the company to see if it was available, and they actually said that it's out of out of production. So one of our viewers did find a link for it. If I can find that link in the comment, I will provide it for you. He found it on a website in the UK. I personally just got this. This was the last glass I saw at like Sur La Table the last time I was there, and I just snapped it up because I thought it was a really pretty glass. But that is what it is, just so you guys know. And let's take a sip. Yeah. That blended Scotch. It's like a little bit smoky, but it's like splitting its base with the Irish whiskey, and it's really full flavored. You still, you've got that. I mean, Orgeat and lemon, that pairing, that flavor pairing is amazing. It is amazing. I'm gonna take another sip. Oh, that is brilliant. I will say it is more full flavored and less dry than its gin companion, the Army Navy. So here you go, my friends, the Cameron's Kick.